Um, Today, thanks. We're gonna look at, oh, you know what? Maybe I first, a lot of messages on Piazza right now, from your last assignment. But one of the projects I'm doing, we need, and so there's like a training session today, this afternoon. And so I'll be an opportunity to earn some miscellaneous, just a point if you're interested. Maybe learn a little bit something about. So be sure to look at that. So the training is at 1 p.m. And if you're interested, but you can't make 1 p.m., just let us know. I posted to which email to send it to. Um, interested in helping to grade some worlds, that's the email to use. Send things to. The second is, I did say I was going to, sorry, my notes are not popping up, but the next homework, a lot of it, so it's going to be an individual homework. I mentioned this the other day, and many of the questions are going to be based. It'll be based mostly on questions from the textbook in chapter 3. So I can post some specific guidelines there, but stuff is cutting out. What I can do is, yeah, I'll try to, in breakout groups, then restart the router. Okay. Oh, Michael, good question is, all right, so I'll make someone else the host just in case. Okay, so recall the definition. Look up the edit distance. cursive definition. Page 113. Sketch the data structure with dependency art. Okay. And then see if you've mastered the rest. I'll make this. Okay. Basically walk through the dynamic program, an example. Okay, so that's I think most of you are there, but I can also. And then I'll go restart my router.
All right, good morning. I'm going to take this as an opportunity to get some coffee real fast.
All right. How's it going? I'm doing all right. Well, for some reason, I can't find a Miro board. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
All right, I'm back.
All righty. So recall the definition of a metric. Metric is easy.
That's it, and that's a definition.
So you define some distance between 2 points in some space. So I guess I'll just write it down here. Define a distance.
I mean, I was assuming it's more
well,
like a metric of
I guess
analysis.
there's a very precise mathematical definition, which I think that's what she's looking for. A distance d between x and y. Two points in some space.
I kind of figured it was a metric as in like a way of analyzing how good something is. But I don't know. It's got a lot of different definitions.
Okay, so the first one is it's symmetric. So d of xy equals d of yx. The second one is it's transitive. So d of xy. It's reflexive. Equals d of yx. And I think there are 4. But we'd have to look it up. Wait a second, I already did that one.
Maybe just d of xx equals 0.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, what's the next one?
Edit
distance.
Look up edit distance. Prove it's a metric. Look at the recursive definition. Sketch the data structure.
On page 111 in the text.
Oh, yeah. And there is one more. Okay. Okay, edit distance is a way of quantifying how dissimilar two strings are.
Mhm.
It looks like there are a bunch of different types of edit distance, though.
The Vladimir Levenstein and Vinciuk and Ulam.
Yeah, that's probably the one she's looking for. Oh, that's the algorithm. Yeah, that could be super useful, especially for the algorithm part in number 3.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we have the option to either prove that it's a metric or to look at the recursive definition on page 113 and sketch the data structure with a dependency graph.
Okay. I mean, I feel super comfortable with doing number A.
Okay.
But I have like probably done it before. So whatever you guys are feeling.
And I'm vibing with A.
Okay, cool. So let
Wait,
gosh.
really? Oh, wow.
If you have questions, just do like a star on wherever she's writing.
That's too bad.
That is a shame. Okay. So our edit distance is, what is it? It's deletion, insertion, and substitution.
Mm-hmm.
So what I mean by that is we just return a number depending on how many of those operations we have to do.
Yeah, to transform one string to another.
Yeah.
there's a structure here in which all possible values of edit ij are made into a memo, and that's written as memoizing them. But that just sounds like a child who can't say memorize, and I can't get over that. Memoize? Memoization. Yeah, I've never been good at remembering the professor's name because nobody ever addresses them by their name.
Okay. So that is something you hate to see. Mhm. Well, I mean, that's kind of nice.
Yeah, it'll last a long time if you only use it for like an hour a day.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, I've never actually gotten into like the OneNote, OneDrive stuff. I always thought it was just super annoying.
Same.
Oh yeah. Ugh.
Yeah, I've been like for this semester, mostly just taking notes on Google Drive, having documents. It's working okay. Mhm. That makes sense. Check right now. Why don't we?
I don't want to be that guy.
Oh wait, she has the homework on the GitHub thing. So. Oh well, I mean that's where it would go if it were a thing.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm even on the piazza. My group member did that problem.
I mean, I used Piazza extensively during the homework, so that's got to make up for the rest of the time, right?
Is it? That's true. I know Piazza is like kind of built for the discussions, so
Mhm.
it's better.
I find it weird how I find it weird on Piazza how like anybody can just completely change the student's answer part. Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Um yeah, so I think I hashed out like 2A.
Let's have a look. See.
Mhm.
I was able to earlier when you were doing the part above, but not for this one for some reason. So, are the bullets? Oh, it's the same as the ones above.
Mhm.
Just put their names in there,
Okay.
or in the one above. What is it? Symmetry. Reflexivity, transitivity, and what's the last one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think we'll be doing anything today other than this?
I doubt it. Cuz she can't even talk to us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, also she's not even in the Zoom call. So, I don't know. How are you guys feeling? You'd want to like crank this out and then have a team meeting at the end and then like
I mean,
go get some food or something.
I don't have anything else to do for the next hour, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Are other of you in 338?
Which one is that?
Uh,
Yeah, I can't do the numbers.
shit, what is the last name? It's like CS Theory, I think, with Sean Yaw.
I took it.
Mhm.
Yeah. I feel like that's the whole bin high experience.
Yeah.
Oh man. I want bin high for a course. The guy's a legend. Yeah, like first of all, he's not that great at communicating stuff. Second, like his accent does not help.
Yeah, I haven't had him for a class yet, but he is my advisor, so I've been using that resource as little as possible.
Yeah. Bin Eye's so funny. Hmm. Oh yeah, Sean's a beast. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm really
Sean is
liking it with Sean.
awesome.
You're not about to be like, hey, I'll give this back to you.
Oh yeah.
Mhm. Mhm. You know what class did suffer the most? Last semester, I was taking Spanish 324, conversational Spanish.
Oh, perfect.
So a lot of the class was just like, okay, turn to your neighbors now and discuss this in Spanish. And the professor was like, okay, well, we can't do that anymore. And that was the entire class. So
Yeah, that's everything that we did ever.
you've got an essay due on like in 2 weeks. So just do that. And then what you have will be your final grade. No more work.
Man.
Yeah. I mean, I was doing well in the class before that point, so I wasn't too unhappy,
So
but
you were chill with it.
I might have been nice to get a little more practice in.
Mhm. Huh. Huh. Mhm. Oh, you were in graphics? Yeah, that one was super cool. That one's also awesome. John Shepard. I don't think he did either. No, but like that seems like such a John Shepard thing to do. Oh no. Yeah, I I liked his course a lot, but his lectures were kind of rough sometimes. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. I did have some complaints about that course, but I thought like what we learned was super cool. Like all of these machine learning algorithms and like the general idea of the theory that goes in them. And like, oh no, he just
It,
throws you right in. Well, I mean, the naive Bayes algorithm is kind of easy. Yeah. Oh, really? I don't know what that is. Oh, really? What? Oh, it's probably because it has it like built in already. Because all of these algorithms are like super common and people use them all the
Yeah.
time. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I know for the later ones there are some good Wikipedia posts that tell you like what's going on. Um, and sometimes like we had to dig into some actual like research papers for the backprop algorithm when you get there. Yeah, yeah, it's due in 2 days, and also it's not like it doesn't take that much time. Like our code, it took like 14 hours for some of our experiments to run.
Jesus.
Just to run. Yeah, I thought that was one of the complaints I had is like, what are we trying to test here? Like, I don't know machine learning. Yeah, the hypothesis thing, I definitely had a complaint with. Yeah, literally. Um,
Oh, Brittany
what was
Therese
I?
Fossey is
I think all
vandalizing
of
our board.
ours. What was that?
The professor is vandalizing our board.
Oh, ah. Yeah, do you want to look at the recursive definition? I could go off about the machine learning class. And yeah, you're not looking for that. I have to drop philosophy 101. I don't know why I took it, but it's so stupid. Oh yeah. Hmm. Well, if you asked me, I would have gave you like a good recommendation because I liked the course. No, I actually liked the course because I thought you learned a bunch of cool stuff. I just think I do have some complaints. But yeah. So, shall we sketch the data structure?
Sure.
Or yeah, let's sketch the data structure.
Let's use the words O, OH, and no, NO.
Those are some complicated words right there. I like how you're thinking. So there's our recursive definition. Sketch the data structure.
You have me thinking now, she says. I don't think it's implied, but she doesn't have a counterexample.
Haha. Well, it said it's implied on Wikipedia, so I just wrote that. I didn't look into it, but I'm actually kind of curious if it is implied.
Wait, did they also get it from Wikipedia? How embarrassing it for them.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes, I can. I'm gonna just rewrite that, I guess. Let's see.
All right. Sorry, what was that? Oh yeah. One of my buddies was in that one and he said he liked it. Yeah. No, that's what my friend did last year. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, Unreal Engine. Oh, mine just quit out. It started syncing. My Miro.
Hmm.
It just like stopped letting me do anything. It says syncing. Please wait. cool. Yeah, it was funny. I was looking at the board right to the right of us that Brittany was commenting on, and she literally just had oh, what? All she had was the word what. It was literally just what, and then she like realized that that was not constructive criticism, so she changed it.
That's funny.
Yeah.
I also got the syncing thing. Did yours fix itself?
It just fixed itself, yeah.
Yeah, you get this opportunity to get more coffee then.
Yeah, it's the greatest when it just like fixes itself. You just do nothing, you talk about it, and then it realizes it's out of line and it goes back to work. Okay. So, yeah. You want to do something like a little bit more complicated than oh and no? Just so that we can get like a legit feel of stuff. Well, I was looking at part B still because they say like sketch the data structure. But I mean, it does say options. Do you just want to do like 3? Okay, let's master it. I think so. Well, we
Feeling pretty good
did
about it.
we did our option. We didn't do part B, but I don't know if that's bad.
I just don't want to draw it. You can't
I
sue me for
don't want to
that.
draw the whole box. No.
I don't actually have an iPad with Miro on it in front of me or anything like that, so I don't want to draw that. And you legally
Want
can't
like
make me.
a 4-letter or 5-letter word?
Sure.
Hi. Yeah, I see.
Let me add you to the top, or you can add yourself actually, because it's not letting me select it for some reason. All technology has betrayed us.
Did we want a 3 or 4-letter word?
To do what?
To sketch the graph thing.
That's optional technically.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah. I mean, there's no harm in doing it. It'll just take some time. Let's pick the words, as I suggested earlier, O, spelled O-H, exclamation point, and no, N-O, exclamation point.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Oh, hey, an actual grid.
Oh, cool. Wait, do that again. Why'd you delete it?
Because it was a 3x3, and we want
You're
a
right.
2x2.
No, we want a 4x4 because we need that initial column to be empty?
For oh no?
It has an exclamation point at the end.
Oh. Why?
That what the Kool-Aid thing is from?
I mean-
always thought it was so random. Or it was like the Kool-Aid ads team just like not having any of the regular commercials anymore.
Guilty of murder in the first degree.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh yeah!
No.
Okay, can I ask everyone to
Let's do this. So
Oh, wait, that should have gone in the box,
here.
shouldn't it?
And it's 1, 2, 3, because we just insert here. 1, 2, 3, because we have to delete these ones. And we do a substitution.
Not quite sure what the numbers in the box mean.
It's the edit distance.
From the string on the left to the string on the right? To the string on top?
Yeah.
So the top column, so the top row is turning the empty string into OH exclamation point, or
Yes.
something like that.
Yeah. So all of those would be insertions. And then you go down one and it's turning N into OH exclamation point.
Okay.
And then yeah, NO into OH exclamation point. And yeah.
And then you just find a path through those, maybe?
Well, there should be some dependencies here. If we're walking through the algorithm. Because what we want at the end is like the one in the bottom right corner, because we want the minimum distance between them. And you can like always get to the other one just by like deleting everything and inserting stuff. But we're basically like testing all the different paths to get to your final string and then trying to optimize it with this dynamic programming algorithm.
All right.
Yeah, does that make sense at all?
I think so, yeah. Not sure that I'd be able to write out the thing. But
Okay. So yeah, basically what I'm looking at right here is this edit distance recursive algorithm.
sorry, where? Just the one on our sheet?
Yeah, the one on our sheet. And yeah. It's supposed to tell us how to like calculate the edit distance for any of our boxes. And if you'll notice, the edit distance of MN depends on the edit distance of like its other stuff, its insert and delete, and that kind of stuff values. Insert, delete, and replace. And insert corresponds to the above. Delete corresponds to the one to the left. And
Extremely difficult.
replace is the top left.
Yog, as they say.
So Yeah, we basically just build up this table.
The minimum distance is going to end up being 2, right? Because you have to transform the N into an O and the O into an H, but you can keep the exclamation points the same.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. No, you typically, yeah, you typically take it to a butcher, and then they'll cut and wrap it for you. Wrap and freeze it for you.
So 1, 1, 2. So these ones are the same, which means the replace value is going to be 1.
Yeah.
1.
Oh, no, yeah.
And then we return the min, so it's just going to go to 2.
Looks like we're here.
2.
Welcome, everyone.
Oh my gosh. My thing just keeps freezing.
Okay.
Yeah, mine just keeps forgetting where everybody is.
Krishna, did you guys go
And not
to
letting me edit
Squadron
things.
today? Or is that
There we go.
Ah. Ah.
taking it?
Are you okay?
Maybe. Okay, we're good. Question mark. 3. This one's going to be 3. This one's also going to be 3.
Hand it over
I believe it.
to
All right. Yeah. And this makes sense because there are 2 ways that you can transform no to O and get it right.
Yeah.
New Delhi.
You can either just replace both of them, or you can delete the N and insert an H.
Then on the
Yeah,
site,
that sounds right to me.
Sort of.
Yep. Sweet.
It says in the textbook with the algorithm
Credit
altruistic
card issues,
uh,
sounds like he's got that in
example
place, and
that there are 3
they're also
different
kind of
directed
using
paths
this
which get
forcing
there, so we should
function
probably draw out
on
the different ways you can do it like that.
security.
Okay. Cool. I feel good about that one.
Yeah, same.
Assume that McKay-
And yeah, I guess all that we really have left, I think we might be good with all of problem 2 if we just want to like talk about the dynamic programming algorithm. Because like it's literally the exact same thing.
So just so that I'm clear, in this class, dynamic programming is pretty much just a short, just meaning you take the results from the previous stuff and store it in some data structure. And that
Yeah,
lets you do.
that's all dynamic programming is. It's like a way to smarter do recursion or like a weird loop that says like if you need the results later, we just like store them in a table.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, these guys are literally intruding on our space.
Sure.
I think it might be time for a gang war then.
Oh, sure. Yeah, no, I totally understand.
The bat. Bat cat. Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, Miro's just kind of dying for me.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah,
It's been cutting.
Yeah,
What?
mine just pooped out. Yeah. I think it might be because Brittany's the host of the board, but you think? Okay. This, I mean,
I've got
this
it
one
ready.
kind of is
Tuan, are you on top
an
of
example.
the display model shipping? Got everything you need there? Just see my
Yeah,
notes?
these guys also say big issues with Miro.
Hit you.
Big issues with Miro. Yeah,
Sorry,
but
man.
I wrote a note at the
are we
bottom.
good?
Did you ask
I'm
him who
feeling
his
pretty good
request
about this stuff.
is?
I figured it'd be more visible like that. In case somebody zoomed out.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Right. Okay.
What? That's
All right.
so
And then in other
big.
news, sounds like
I wanted people to see it.
well, nose landing gear.
Hey, is Miro cutting out for anyone else? It's so big. Oh my gosh. There she goes. All right. I
Hey,
think
I
I
can
might be
scroll
done
again.
here. We've done everything. We've done it. I dipped from that thing.
Hey,
For
Caleb, are
everybody.
you in 338?
Okay, and then
38.
in other
CS3?
news too, I got some feedback from.
No,
It's Eric.
Okay.
It's actually
Never
Eric
mind then.
Keener's.
I was it last semester?
Alrighty.
We'll work on that.
Somebody's just writing out
Initial
"me
quote
too" in giant
for
letters.
all that good stuff. Okay, all right, and
Well,
then any.
It's been fun, fellas. I'm gonna wish you guys a good day, and I'm going to grab something to eat. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Did I cover your bases?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
can't even type. I can't move around. I can't type.
And then they appear and they fly around.
So,
Yeah. All right. Well, see you guys.
See it.